Bend your leg down. Down so I can zip you up.
Ba ba ba.
You talking about Buddy? No Buddy tonight.
Buddy.
Buddy.
Is this what happens when it's
Past your bedtime?
9:15 and you're still awake? Oh, did you put
Get
your
your
own
pants on.
leg in a pant? Oh, wow. You're figuring out how to get your own clothes on. You learned how to say moo today. Moo. And
Say moo?
please. When you want something, you say please.
Please?
Oh,
Keep your sockie on. Alright, time to get in your socks.
can you say please for us, Al? Please?
Please. Please. Hold on. Let's get you in your sleepy sack.
Alright.
Night
Get in your
night.
sleepy sack.
Say good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Night night. There's the thummy.